So Exemplary Bank's support team knows that customers have a hard time understanding the difference between checking accounts and savings accounts. With Tooltips, they have new ways to offer proactive support to help customers. So here are some simple, contextual help messages embedded right in the product. Customers can get a little snippet about the difference between the accounts. Then there's links with existing help articles to learn more if they need it. The article appears right there in the moment with all the details. So that was a nice, simple example of proactive support and one that can reduce inbound support questions. Tooltips can be used in lots of different ways. For example, to highlight something new. So let's take a look over here. Exemplary Bank clearly want us to know about this new investments feature. It looks different to the last one because we give you lots of options out of the box for customization on how tooltips appear. This tooltip has been delivered to specific customers using powerful and personalized targeting. As I mentioned earlier, with Intercom, everything is connected, which is where the true power comes in. So for example here, you can use a tooltip to prompt a customer to launch a product tour. Finally, one other example. Here's another quick little tooltip. Again, fully customized, embedded on the link. And as with all our message types, we have great reporting on Tooltips to give you insightful data on user engagement with these messages.